Today is January 6th, 2013. Update on the house. This is our front porch. And our view is right there. And this will be the side porch right here. The front porch, 12 feet deep. Side porch, 10 feet deep. Kayla, what do you say? Yep, digging around, having a good old time. And I'm walking towards what we'll use as the main entrance to and from our house. So we'll have a little covered porch. And let's go see what it looks like on the inside. Walking in, they're putting up walls. So, oh my gosh. So here's the living room right here. Where the scaffolding is the kitchen. So this will be our view from the kitchen and living space. So we'll start seeing the possibilities. Right here, laundry room, pantry, etc., etc. And back here, these will be the two spare bedrooms and bathroom on this side of the house. And master bedroom, some nice large windows. Master bath, right here, that big ass window. And a walk-in closet, since we're not going to have a lot of storage. And looking forward to it. Right, Elise? Elise, what do you think? She thinks it's awesome.